I am interested in kind of learning specifically. So tell me some ups and downs of the post you're in. I mean, you're dealing with the legal side too, where people come to you about law. Would you get any frustrated attorneys contact? Are you LegalNet? Are you the person that would be LegalNet?
Our office was LegalNet, but it can be handled by any number of attorneys or individuals in the office. Yeah, do receive those LegalNet inquiries. And, a LegalNet inquiry, sometimes it's pretty straightforward, right?
Mm-hmm.
Take a look at it and say, oh, no, the consular officer got it right, or no, the consular officer got it wrong. Very often it does require some back and forth with the consular section, sort of saying like, hey, it's not really clear to me what this finding is based on, and working through it. So those can certainly take a while. And I know that's very frustrating because that process is opaque. But it's also, I would say, if you've submitted a LegalNet to any attorney, use that also as raising awareness for what the client should have shown up with at the interview. Yeah. Right. So many times I saw something was attached to LegalNet that was never presented to the cons officer. Right. Like actually their removal order was rescinded. Okay, well, that would not be available to the cons officer unless you provided this information. So you're right, but best practice would have been to do this
Sure.
up front. Same with criminal convictions and things like that. Like if an attorney is aware someone has a criminal conviction, the client should show up with that briefed, right?
Mm-hmm.
Why this is or is not a crime involving moral turpitude, why this is or is not an aggravated felony. Because again, cons officers are not lawyers. They're also very busy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Know about the expended wait times, and what they want to focus on is people who are eligible. They want to put issuable cases on the plane, right? And be done with it. And so, the easier you can make the job for the consular officer up front, the less likely you're going to land in LegalNet territory or trying to address it later.